This is what I've been waiting for, sword training. Okay, so splitting up into pairs. Oh, Percy's going real cool, so who do I get? Oh. Hi, I'm Andrew. What's your name? Chris Rodriguez? Nice to meet you. Don't worry. I'll go easy on you. Try that move Lou taught us. Huh. Yield. Nice job, Chris. So what? Who taught me how to fight like that? Well, that would be my sister. Or one of them. Well, not sister by blood, but deep enough friendship that we view each other like siblings. Does that make sense? It does? Okay, good. Yeah, so she taught me some sword fighting skills. We started off small, daggers, knives. Then we progressed to swords and halberds and all that stuff. So I'm decently proficient with a bladed weapon. When did she start teaching me? I was about 9. Hey, Percy disarmed Luke. Beginner's luck, Percy. You'll get him next time. Well, thank you, Chris. Hope to see you around camp more. That was a pretty good lesson, right, Percy? Oh, you did fine. Hey, I did okay. Oh, you saw that? Well, a friend of mine taught me how to wield a blade pretty well. I was about 9-ish. Actually, I haven't seen her in a while. I hope she's doing okay. Well, yeah, I'm okay. I'm just thinking. I'm gonna head to the armory. I need to find me a secondary weapon. Besides my dagger, obviously. Maybe I can find a sword that fits me, because none of the training swords fit me. Alright, I'll see you later, Percy.